Here's a quick video review of 450 Terrace. So this is us loading sheetrock. This was quite a ways back. We're currently now on finishing the interior sheetrock, of course mudding the walls, etc. As you can see, sheetrock's done. This is in the master bedroom. Looking out, here's another shot of the master, vaulted ceilings. Here's the bar. We have those cove ceilings. This is another big walkout. Accordion door systems, big 10-foot sliding doors, 8-foot sliding doors. Everything's soffitted. This is in the den. Soffits, master bedroom. This is the entry-level stair, just being finished up. The entrance stair tower has redstone. Then there's Durango blue on the den, the bar, and the gym area. The garage, as you can see, everything's rocked out. The welders, of course, building the stairway. Masons doing their thing. You can see here entries coming together. Beautiful stonework, all dry stack. Really nice job on the drywall. All the framing was LSL, a timber strand. Here's the upper patio. It's 1,800 square feet. Some of it's covered. Goes for a bar that a pool or a hot tub that goes right here for that infinity effect looking out. And as you look out, you see Ajax, you see Snowmass. So absolutely amazing views, very, very rare. The master bedroom, master bath, walk-in closet, island in the kitchen, finishing up that sheetrock there a couple weeks ago. Actually about a week ago, stair tower. Looking out over there again, that's the golf course, so you get a shot of the golf course. You can really see how high up you are up there. An amazing view, and that third level patio, walkout, very rare. Welder going to town. A couple shots there at the entrance so that people can get an idea, and then perspective. That's the bar area upstairs and the lounge. A lot of these cutouts, a lot of attention to not only detail but additional details and smart home features and low volt electrical to really add to the appeal of the home with ambient lighting, etc. This is the master guest, or could be the lock-off, which has its own patio. That's us feeding, of course, there. Comes with a budget, line item budget, Excel budget. This is the master closet, a rendering of the master closet, what it'll end up looking like. Here's the entrance, what it'll look like. We have these bookshelves that are on sliders, so you can close that up to hide the theater or open up to make the foyer one big area. There again, has its own bar in the foyer, in the bar area theater, which can open into the foyer. Then you have the gym there as well. Here are the plans, and to zoom in and show you some reflection on the plans, you know, we have this incredible third-story walkout. This is all the covered patio here. Has a see-through fireplace, all windows, big accordion door systems, you know, 10-foot door systems. Here's the second level. Has a master suite, has a guest master, has a hidden closet, a walk-in closet. This one has its own laundry. There's laundry room on every floor. 60-inch Thermador cooktop, very professional. Prep sink and a farm sink. Dueling dishwashers. Your 54-inch fridge. Your built-in coffee maker, built-in microwave, etc. Then you walk out onto this gas fireplace patio. Just beautiful with your scissor stair. And then here, you know, you have an extra bedroom. You have your gym. You have your dinner office. Could also be used as a bedroom. You have a nice big mud room with a laundry, an area for storage, skis, whatnot. Large, oversized two-car garage. 2 baths, one full, one shower to feed the office bedroom, and of course the common space. You have your theater here with the hidden panel doors that are on sliders. You have this nice big foyer entry that really shines. And there's a scissor stair. This is a real light mock-up. It's not exactly what it's going to look like, but it'll give you an idea. The master bedroom, master bath. Here's the living room and the kitchen. You come up from the entrance, of course, down here onto the second level to entertain. Here's another shot of, again, giving a little more perspective. You also have a pantry and a wine room underneath the stair over there. Big glass door. We don't have any mock-ups of that. Downstairs, full bath. There's your downstairs foyer, gym area, entrance. Lots of ambient lighting there again. Partial mock-up of the stairs going up. They won't look exactly like that. but give you an idea. And then, of course, all glass railing all throughout the home on all patios. This is your guest master. This is your master. Those are your walkouts up there with your bar and your lounge and your master bath. There's another shot of it again. As you come in off the garage, this is your mudroom. So you slide that door back, and that's your laundry and your storage. You have your den over here. You have your extra bedroom. Then you have your gym down the hall. That's your entrance with the stone. Here's your master suite on the second level. You walk out onto your own patio. You have your own dual vanity, shower, privacy, walk-in closet, etc. Here is your 3/4 bath on your first level that supports either the extra bedroom and or the den, theater area, etc. Another shot of the hallway in the master on the third level. Master on the third level. We have these partitions here so you can look through from the bed and look right through the master bath to the incredible views up Independence Pass. Every room in this home has been designed to take in the views. We have the theater bar here, which supports the theater and the foyer in that area. And then, of course, this is the lounge on the third level. Ambient lighting. You have your crown. You have your see-through fireplace. It's your covered patio out there, and where your hot tub is, etc. And then this is, of course, the stair tower, the monolithic stair tower, if you will. Kitchen on this side. Kitchen has access out. Could put a barbecue out there. Barbecues on the big deck. The contents of our complete package: promissory note, deed trust, appraisal, assessor record, offering, pictures, renderings, and plans. All of it to go through with you. Hope you've enjoyed this review, and we'll see you on the next one.